Imagine being able to describe the image in your mind with just a few words, and within seconds, an AI generates it flawlessly. Not only that, but it remembers details, makes multi-step edits, and even keeps people and pets consistent across multiple scenes. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, welcome to the future, because Google just unveiled Nano Banana, also known as Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, a groundbreaking AI image editing tool that is already making waves in the tech world. This tool isn't just another AI image generator. It's smarter, faster, and more intuitive. Whether you're a designer, marketer, content creator, or just someone who loves experimenting with visuals, Nano Banana promises to change the way we work with images forever. And today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know: what Nano Banana is, how it works, its key features, potential benefits, and yes, some of the risks and controversies surrounding it. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Nano Banana is being hailed as one of the most advanced image editing models to date, and why some experts are calling it a game changer for digital creativity. So, let's peel back the layers of Nano Banana and see what makes this new tool so revolutionary. Section 1. What exactly is Nano Banana? First, let's answer the big question: what is Nano Banana? Nano Banana is the nickname for Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, Google DeepMind's latest AI model for generating and editing images. Unlike traditional image generators that often require a single static prompt, Nano Banana is designed for multi-turn conversations with your visuals. That means you can start with one image, refine it step by step, and make detailed adjustments in natural language, just as if you were giving instructions to a skilled human designer. For example, imagine uploading a photo of your dog. With other AI tools, you might be able to change the background once, but with Nano Banana, you can go further. Put him in a pirate costume. Now make it sunset on the beach. Now add a treasure chest by his side. The AI doesn't just paste random elements. It seamlessly integrates them while keeping your dog's look consistent across all the edits. The name Nano Banana itself is playful, but don't let it fool you. This tool represents one of Google's biggest leaps forward in AI-assisted creativity. It builds on years of research into diffusion models, generative AI, and visual understanding, bringing all of that into a product that feels smooth, intuitive, and natural. In short, Nano Banana isn't just about making pretty pictures. It's about giving everyday people the ability to direct visuals like a filmmaker or artist, without needing advanced skills. That's a big shift for creators everywhere. Section 2. Key features of Nano Banana. Now let's talk about what makes Nano Banana so special. There are several key features that set it apart from anything we've seen before. Multi-turn image editing. Most AI image tools generate a single image from a prompt. But what happens when you want to refine it? Usually you have to rewrite the prompt or start over. With Nano Banana, you don't. You can literally have a back-and-forth conversation with the AI about your image. It remembers context, it understands your instructions, and it can apply edits step by step. For example, you can say, "Make the sky more dramatic," then add lightning in the background, then turn the character into a warrior. Each instruction builds on the previous one, keeping continuity intact. Consistent people and pets across images. One of the biggest problems with AI-generated images has been consistency. Create a photo of a person once, and it's almost impossible to recreate them accurately in another pose or scene. Nano Banana changes that. If you generate an image of a person or upload one, the AI can retain their likeness across different edits. This is huge for storytelling, comics, product shoots, and even advertising campaigns. Fine-tuned style mixing. Nano Banana allows you to mix and match styles with incredible precision. Want a Renaissance-style painting, but with cyberpunk elements? No problem. Want a Pixar-like version of your family photo? Easy. The tool is trained to blend aesthetics without producing awkward or inconsistent results. Multi-step background and object editing. Instead of just replacing backgrounds, Nano Banana enables you to add, remove, and transform objects naturally. Want to erase someone from a group photo? Done. Want to add a spaceship hovering above a city skyline? Done. And it looks like it belongs there. Natural language precision. You don't have to know Photoshop, and you don't need to master prompts. You can literally talk to it like you're giving instructions to a designer. Make the colors warmer, shift the perspective slightly, or add more shadows for depth. Fast and scalable. The Flash in Gemini 2.5 Flash image isn't just for show. Google has designed Nano Banana to run extremely fast, capable of delivering edits almost instantly. That speed makes it practical for businesses, social media creators, and even casual users who don't want to wait minutes for a result. In summary, Nano Banana's key features are all about control, consistency, and creativity at scale. Three things that previous AI image editors have struggled to deliver simultaneously. Section 3. Real-world use cases. So, how can Nano Banana actually be used in real life? Let's look at some practical examples. Content creation for social media. Imagine being a YouTuber, TikTok creator, or Instagram influencer. Instead of hiring a graphic designer for every thumbnail or post, you could use Nano Banana to generate professional visuals in minutes. Thumbnails with consistent branding? Check. Storytelling visuals that evolve over a series of posts? Check. Marketing and advertising. Brands spend millions on photo shoots, stock images, and design teams. Nano Banana could reduce costs dramatically by creating ad-ready images on demand. For example, a clothing brand could generate models wearing new designs in different settings without organizing a full photo shoot. Education and training. Teachers and educators can create customized illustrations, diagrams, and learning visuals instantly. Imagine explaining history with visuals that put students right into the scene, or designing science infographics in seconds. Product design and prototyping. Product teams could visualize prototypes faster than ever. Want to see what your gadget looks like in chrome, matte black, or pastel pink? Nano Banana can do that instantly. Designers can test ideas before ever building physical prototypes. Storytelling and entertainment. Writers, filmmakers, and game developers can use Nano Banana to quickly storyboard ideas. Because it maintains character consistency, it's possible to create sequences of images that actually feel like part of a story. Everyday fun. Let's not forget the casual users. Want to see your pet as a medieval knight or yourself on the cover of a fantasy novel? Nano Banana makes those playful ideas easy to bring to life. The bottom line, this tool has applications across industries, from marketing to education to entertainment, and it also brings joy to everyday users. Section 4. Benefits of Nano Banana. So, what are the broader benefits of Nano Banana? Beyond just cool images, here's what it brings to the table. Democratization of creativity. Anyone, regardless of design skills, can now create high-quality visuals. This lowers the barrier to entry for creative industries. Efficiency and speed. Marketers, designers, and creators can save hours, if not days, by generating visuals instantly rather than waiting for long design processes. Cost savings. For businesses, fewer expensive photo shoots and stock image purchases mean significant savings. New avenues for storytelling. Writers and educators can now illustrate their stories and lessons in ways previously limited to those with budgets or artistic talent. Enhanced personalization. Because Nano Banana remembers details and maintains consistency, users can create visuals that feel deeply personal and unique. Section 5. Risks and ethical concerns. Of course, no powerful technology comes without risks, and Nano Banana raises some important ethical questions. Deepfakes and misuse. One of the biggest risks is misuse for deepfakes, creating fake but realistic images of people. This can spread misinformation or cause harm. Copyright and originality. AI-generated images may blur the lines of ownership. Who owns the rights? The user, Google, or the AI model trained on existing works? Job displacement. Professional photographers, designers, and illustrators may find some of their work replaced by AI-generated visuals. While new opportunities may arise, disruption is inevitable. Bias in outputs. Like all AI models, Nano Banana could reproduce biases present in its training data. This could result in skewed or insensitive representations if not carefully monitored. Google has already said it will integrate watermarking and safeguards to identify AI-generated images, but whether this will be enough to stop misuse remains an open question. The key takeaway is that while Nano Banana offers massive potential, it also comes with serious responsibilities for both Google and users. Nano Banana is more than just a quirky name. It's a glimpse into the future of how humans and AI will collaborate creatively. With its ability to maintain consistency, accept natural instructions, and deliver results instantly, it stands out as one of the most advanced tools for image editing we've ever seen. But as with all powerful tools, its impact will depend on how we use it. If used responsibly, Nano Banana could democratize creativity, empower individuals, and transform industries. If abused, it could amplify misinformation and erode trust in visual media. For now, though, one thing is clear: Nano Banana has placed Google firmly in the spotlight of the AI race, setting a new standard for how we think about creativity, technology, and the future of human-machine collaboration. So what do you think? Is Nano Banana the future of image generation, or just another step in an endless AI arms race? Could it dethrone MidJourney and DALL-E, or will it simply push the competition to innovate even faster? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. And if you found this deep dive valuable, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's curious about the future of AI creativity. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.